welcome back to Red Ted Art. Yes, I have finally done it. It's the poop emoji bookmark corner. As with all the bookmarks, you just pop it at the edge of your book, keep your place, and you always know where you're reading. Now, remember, if you make any of my crafts with your parents or your bigger brothers or sisters, do make a video, mention Red Ted Art, put it in the title, let me know about it, then I'll put it in my special Tedster playlist. I want to see what you have been making. Anyway, shall I show you how to make these today? Let's take a look. So to make your poo emoji or poop emoji, you will need a glue stick, some little scraps of paper. This is white for the one we're making now, or red if you want to do the heart one. Obviously some brown paper, and if you don't have brown paper, then use some normal paper and use a coloured pen, and some little scissors. So as with all our bookmarks, we start by folding the bottom and bringing it up, like so. Then we bring this corner over here, like so, and then we bring this corner over here. There we go. Nice and flat. Now give it good crease. Mine is a bit thicker, this paper. Bring one flap down like so. Bring this one over and tuck it in. And bring this one over and tuck it in. Like this. Now this time we're also going to fold this one in and tuck it, so we get that sort of triangular shape. Now the emoji, bookmark, some people say, oh, can we have a bit chubbier? But to be honest, if you're going to do a book corner, which is what you guys like to see on my channel, then it's going to be a little bit flatter, I'm afraid. But I think that's okay, it still looks nice. Now here's a tricky bit, and you might want to, here's my scrap one, you might want to practice this on some white piece of paper first. The first thing you need to do is you kind of need to, with a pencil, just give it that kind of swirly look that you get from the poop emoji. And I'm going to do it on my paper here very gently, and you might not be able to see it so well, which is why I brought my sample out. This is, by the way, how I design all my bookmarks. I give it a go first on paper. If you want, you can give it like a little dip, and then I get my nice pretty paper out before, so I don't, ruin my nice paper whilst I'm practicing. And you little dip here, like so, and then you get your black pen. So you saw I did it first in pencil just to make sure I'm happy. You need these curves, and we're going to cut along them in a minute, like so. Little dip there, and that's the top of your poop emoji. And now you need to cut the edges off, and you need to make them nice and round. Here, cut a little round bit in, because that gives it sort of that proper poopy shape, like so. And then you just nip it in at the top. Now, as you know, this is my third one, because I have 1, 2, 3. So obviously I've had a little bit of practice. If it doesn't work out the first time for you, just keep practicing. Don't get cross about it. There we go. Right, so now you have your basic, I think I want this a little bit narrower actually. There we go. Now you have your basic poop. Now you need to decorate it. Now to save a little bit of time, I've just drawn out 2 eyes with a black pen. Oopsie. Cut it out. And then we'll just stick them on. So obviously you need to check first to see that they fit. I always find, to be honest, that I end up needing to do them bigger than I thought. So I always end up making them twice, to be honest. The first one's always a little bit too small for some reason. And look at that. Isn't that the cutest? I love it. It's so fun. I do love the poop emoji. So do my kids. It makes them giggle. There we go. That is easy it is your poop emoji to make your poop emojis. Aren't they adorable? Now don't forget, we've also got lots of other emojis. There's a puppy one as well, there's a panda bear, there's obviously these fabulous ones, and also if you do love emojis, why don't you give something new a try? Have you seen these? These are paper quilled greeting cards. These are great for teachers' gifts or you know, Mother's Day or something like that, or just to a friend. And we've got some other emoji greeting cards as well that I can link. And you know, it's always fun to try something new. So anyway, so I hope you finally liked our poop emoji. Don't forget to add it to your favorite playlist. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and obviously we'll see you here again soon. Thank you. Bye.